How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be dyno testing Matt's 540 cubic inch big block Chevy. In parts 1 and 2, we went over the full engine build of our 540 cubic inch cruiser big block Chevy. To recap, it's a GM bow tie block running our Smeding forged crankshaft and connecting rods, and also our Smeding 315cc cylinder heads. This engine is the do-it-all big block Chevy. It runs great on pump gas, it has a hydraulic roller valve train, and still makes over 620 horsepower and almost 680 foot-pounds of torque. Matt is on his way right now to check out the engine and see it on the dyno, so he should be here any second. I am here with Mr. Matt Carricker, Demolition Ranch himself.
Hey, howdy.
How's it going, sir?
It's going very good. Even better because I get to see this engine. I'm pumped.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I know we started out by you saying you wanted a nice, tame, easygoing 540 cruiser.
Yeah.
But that's not really the Smeding style. So how does a blown 572 900 horse big block Chevy sound to you?
This is real streetable. I can drive this.
Oh
to
yeah,
church.
definitely.
I just wanted to.
Your grandmother.
Take my church car, you know.
Exactly. That's what it's for.
Good.
No, I'm just kidding. Maybe your next one.
That thing is awesome. How big is that?
Yep.
What'd you say?
So this is our 572.
Golly.
It makes about 900 horsepower on pump gas, hydraulic roller, and has a 3-year warranty.
Jeez, that's insane. Maybe next time. We can do that next time, Jacob.
Definitely. Well, let's check out your motor.
Okay.
Hiding in the dyno room over here. So this is the 540 cruiser model that we built for you for your 68 Camaro.
She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Yeah, this is awesome. And with the serpentine kit on the front, it's gonna look really nice. The black. Yeah, you asked me what color we should paint it. I kind of wanted to do that Chevy orange, but then I was like, I think black will look really good.
Yeah.
It's a red car too, so I think the black and red and silver will look.
Yep, that'll be better than trying to mix the orange and the red, just nice black and red. That's gonna be super clean and subtle.
Yep.
And so a quick rundown on the motor. So this is our 540 cruiser. And so your car originally had a 396, right?
Yes,
it was
sir.
an original big block car?
Yep.
Original big block cars need to stay big block cars.
Yeah.
And so anyways, this is our 540. It's a standard deck, big block Chev. So all the extra displacement comes internally. So on the external, it'll still bolt in to your Camaro just as if it was a 396.
Perfect. And someone walking past would never know it's a 540. They're
Yep.
looking under the hood, they're gonna be like, yeah.
Looks like a big block.
It's a big block 68 SS Camaro.
Right until you turn it on, and then they're gonna go, that's not a 396.
Sounds different than the one that my uncle had a long time ago.
Speaking of, I wanna fire this thing up, let you hear it idle.
Let's do it.
Okay, while it's warming up, I want to show Matt some of the engines that we're building in the shop, and then we'll come back and make some power. Off camera, I've already ran this engine. I've already tuned it to spec, so it's at operating temperature. Everything's functioning correctly. On this engine, because the cylinder heads are so efficient, we're able to run a very conservative ignition timing on pump gas and still make tons of power. So this engine actually only runs 32 degrees of total timing, which for a big block Chevy is very conservative. The carburetor's already jetted. It's a 750, which is plenty for this much horsepower. We could put an 850 on it, but it actually wouldn't make any more horsepower. So whenever you can run a little bit smaller carburetor, that's always going to be better for the end user. So we're going to fire it up and we'll start making some hits. First pull on the 540 here. And what we really wanted to show Matt is even though it's a 540-inch motor, it sounds all super racy and radical. Look at how much torque we're still making super low in the RPM range. Even down here at 2,700 RPM, we're making almost 600 foot-pounds of torque. And the more torque you can make down low in the RPM range, the easier that engine is going to be to drive. And then also, we like to always see the highest horsepower and highest torque numbers are fairly similar. That's another way to tell that the engine is super balanced and has a great blend of drivability, but can still make 650 plus horsepower on pump gas. All right, that's a wrap on this engine. We ended up with 657 horsepower and 666 foot-pounds of torque. And again, the torque curve starts above 600 foot-pounds and just stays there the entire time. Matt, what do you think?
I'm freaking pumped. The real test will be if my wife likes it. If it's real comfortable to drive, she's going to be pumped. And if it's not, I don't care because I'm going to like it either way. No, I'm freaking pumped. It's going to be awesome.
Yep. This is one of our favorite engines to build. I can't wait to see it in the car. I can't wait to see how it performs.
You want to drive it?
Yes.
Okay, you can do it.
As soon as it's done, bring it by.
You can drive it.
We got him. All right, thank you all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.